Hey everybody, I'm here at the World of Concrete Trade Show at the Milwaukee booth. I'm here with Rick. Rick, thanks for having us.
Yeah, absolutely.
I want to talk a little bit about the new Nitrus Carbide Blade. It's their AX blade, right?
Yep.
And I saw this at Pipeline, but I don't think we really got a chance to play around with it too much. Can you tell us about it?
Yeah, so this is our Nitrus AX blade. It's adding to the already existing list of Nitrus products that we have within Sawzall blades, OMT blades, as well as circ blades. What this blade excels at is cutting through wood, screws, nails. So it's really meant for that, and we've got a demo here to show that. But hitting on Nitrus, it's going to give you the fastest cutting, longest life in the market. So we're really proud to put that Nitrus stamp on this blade.
This is out in this market now, right? So one blade, 3-pack.
Yep. So we'll have 6-inch, 9-inch, 12-inch in multiple different pack quantities.
How much roughly? I know.
So one blade is going to be $16.97.
$16 per blade.
Yep.
And this is supposed to last longer, right?
Yep.
A longer lifespan than the previous generation.
Yep.
I noticed your demo here, you've got a Diablo blade as a competitor.
Yep.
Which blade did you choose?
Yeah, so this is their equivalent. This is their amped carbide teeth blade going up against our Nitrus AX blade. So,
okay.
Yep.
Well, let's do a demo. I'll take the Diablo.
Yeah, we've got fully charged batteries, same tools, 10-pound weights, so even comparison.
Let's do it.
Cool.
All right, go ahead, sir. Just want to check the battery?
Yep. Full
battery, yep. All right, we're just going to do this. Let the weight do the cut.
Yep, so we don't have to put any weight on it. We'll let the weight do the work, and then just keep your hand under it for support.
Yep.
Cool. All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
Kidding me.
Got some smoke going there, so.
Wow.
Find somebody in an orange vest. It's
All right.
Yeah, so Rob, think about what this means for our users. More productivity, more value. You're swapping blades out less. So it's a really dependable blade that our users
lick
can
the
trust.
blade?
I would do that.
Hey, Ricky, thanks for your time.
Thanks.
Appreciate it. Thanks for having us.
Yeah.
Thanks, everybody.